Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is beautiful outside today. My goodness. Who do we have first in the chat today? We got Nick F. Do we have Nick F first in the chat today? Good morning to you, Nick F. What's going on, man? Lemon Lust, how you doing? Lemon Lust, CD Wit, Troy. We got Lemon Lust, Peter, CD Wit, Lemon Lust, CD Wit. We've got Kenneth, Dark Bro. What's going on, man? Lemon Lust, DD214, Lemon Lust, D's. We got D's out there. Lemon Lust, Sarah, that's 50 Shades of Green in the chat right now. Lemon Lust, D's, DD214, Tristan Tisdale, how you doing? Lemon Lust, Michael. Psh. Clay being late. Clay's never late, man. The party don't start till I walk in. He started early today. Boom! Lemon Lust, how you doing, man? DD214, Kenneth, what is going on? Dark Bro, all of you guys. I'm up $2.45 on my investment today. Lambo for everybody. Boom, Dark Bro. Let's make it happen, man. Frank, good morning to you. Let's check the market out, guys. See what's happening over in the crypto space because Shiba looking good. Bitcoin down a little bit from yesterday. Kind of the I don't know. Confidence isn't fading, but people might be taking profit on Bitcoin, unable to break through that 31,000 mark and really move to 32. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, trying to bounce off that 430, but sitting at 435 right now, down 2% of the day. Shiba Inu coin, ouch. Shiba looking very good at 834. GameStop sitting at 2320 at the moment. Bitcoin, $31,267. The NASDAQ pulling back a little bit from where it was earlier, 14,187. NASDAQ touching an annual high. I know you guys received the notifications from Webull this morning. Basically everything sitting at annual highs, 52-week highs. 14,184 points on the NASDAQ at the moment. Dogecoin sitting at 7.3 cents. Ethereum sitting at $2,000 per coin. Shiba, 832. Bitcoin, 31,257. Mullen Auto, back down a little bit on the day today, 15.5 cents, 15.5 cents. Sundial, sitting at $1.44. The SPY, 450. BBIG, 213. Highcroft Mining, down big today, down 7.5% to 43.5 cents. Netflix, sitting at 446. QQQ, 0.60% higher to 381.40. Ape sitting at $1.89. MPW 978. Tesla 282, man. 282. Had a volatile this morning. Double topping, coming back down to touch the intraday low and ripping from where we were right there. I was looking at playing some Tesla calls or puts earlier. Did not get in. And I don't know, man. I might have got ripped if I would have got in down here. It was looking pretty bearish at this point, but turned off the bottom and kind of glad I didn't get in now. But would have loved to have gotten in on some calls. Probably 4x your money already if you got in calls that expired today. Moving from here to here. Massive gains in Tesla, even though it's only a 1.70% move. Innovic sitting at $20.81, PID 1826, and Joby 1010 at the moment, pulling back early on at the open right there. We're going to watch Bitcoin. Let's get back out to the chat right now, see what's happening. There's financial analysts out there saying that Mullen in production could run up to as high as $173 a share. Dang, dude. Those are some very confident financial analysts, man. This chat's so green, like my portfolio D's. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. Oh, I do want to play this, guys. I want to play this because Pat coming in hot this morning. Everybody's sleeping. Pat's awake, man. Clee! Say hello to the bro fam for me. Keep the faith, y'all. The Bears will soon hibernate. The Bulls getting riled up, and the Stampede is coming. 9,759 to go. Whew! Thank you very much, Pat. I don't know if you're in here right now or if you are working at the moment, man, but I absolutely appreciate all the super chats, dude. This dude is a bro, man. He is so much a bro. He doesn't want the bro fam to forget about him. He's sending super chats when everybody else is sleeping. Pat, thank you very much. I will play that super chat a couple times today. And anybody see Pat in the Discord over the weekend or something, make sure to say what's up to the dude. He's committed, man. I'll tell you that right now, Pat. Appreciate you, dude. So there's some craziness going on last night. I did try that arbitrage opportunity on Binance US versus Coinbase Bitcoin. I made $15 in one trade, and then I went to try to do it again, and the price had been fixed on Binance US supposedly, but the math still indicated the amount that I received was more than what I bought it for, so I don't know if it's actually fixed or not. I'm tempted to try with right around 100 to see if it is or not. Bitcoin with the Bitcoin fee from Binance US was only a couple of dollars. Yeah, you know what, Dark Bro, man. The thing is that look, all you're going to get ripped on if it does not work, all you're going to lose is the transfer fee. So, if you're okay attempting it, it's not like you're going to lose with Bitcoin ripping down in price or something. I don't think that Bitcoin is going to be extremely volatile, and if you just, straight up buy and sell, right away, what you're going to end up losing is the transfer fee. So if it's only a couple dollars to transfer it, and you want to take a $2 risk or whatever you said it was, a couple dollars, $2-3 risk, that's what you stand to lose. Even if you don't get it, I don't know, 29,000 or whatever it's claiming to be traded at on Binance right now. Even if you don't get it at that price, you just lost the transfer fee, man. So it's not that big of I wouldn't think it's that big of a deal. Loving that Ripple win today, bro. Tristan, listen, I had a very nice Ripple win yesterday, okay? I was not in XRP, but I did jump in on the trade, and I won there. Overall, I'm very, very excited about the Ripple court case win. So I don't know if you're specifically talking about your gains that you made in Ripple or if you're talking about the Ripple court case win. But I am loving it all around, man. I had a very nice, it was a very quick swing trade. I think I was probably in for less than a half hour yesterday. Took advantage of the run, got in, got out, and made out very nicely. But yeah, dude, this win, we might see, look, Stellar Lumens and Ripple ran very heavy yesterday. So we might see a pullback today in the price of Lumens and in XRP. As you guys can see, it's already dropping from 19.5 to 14 cents. This is, look, you can't necessarily expect candles like this every single day. That's a lot of money inflowing. When you increase your project's market cap by billions of dollars in a single day, you got to think there's a lot of people making a lot of money. They're gonna take some profits. So that's what we're seeing today. And you know what? I don't know if they show Ripple on here or not. XRP USD. Yeah, Webull doesn't even allow you to graph Ripple, or XRP. So Stellar Lumens back down pretty big today. Ripple back down a little bit today, like 70-something cents. Nonetheless, man, very, very good move overall for the entire cryptocurrency market with that win. I'm excited about it. Coming back down, Ken, don't feel bad. I had 10,000 once upon a time and sold it all. Think how I feel. Dark Bro, you probably still feel pretty good, man. Look, you can't kick yourself. It's like the guys who really reminisce by having 1,000 Bitcoin way back when, and they made 10, 20 grand on it as it ripped up and ended up selling it, and, they could have had hundreds of millions of dollars now. Can't live in the past, man. Can't dwell on all of the shoulda couldas. Thanks, Pat. We miss you. Absolutely. Lemon Loss. Appreciate you, dude. If you see him in the Discord, make sure to let him know, because we really do miss Pat. Not just because of the authorized hydrations and stuff, even though I really do like the authorized hydration every once in a while to calm down in the live stream. No, man, it's like, when a bro leaves. I haven't seen Pika in here in a while. I've seen some Discord notifications come across my screen from, I believe, Pika, but I've not seen Pika in the chat for a while. We're missing Pika right now. Anytime the bros leave, man, Mr. Simon hasn't been as active. Luckily, AMC Trapper was in here yesterday. Been missing that dude. Haven't seen Grandpa Barney in over a year. My birthday, day after my birthday, May 27th, 2022, was the last time I believe we seen Grandpa Barney in here. So yeah, man, we're missing a lot of the bros, and I do hope that they return. I need Pepe 2.0 to run. Kenneth, let's get started. I haven't looked at Pepe 2.0 in a while. We'll check and see what that's at today. Do we find out if Terra's security or not today? So relax and meditate. What we should have today, based on what the judge previously said, what we should have today is a decision whether or not the judge is going to throw that case out. So if they throw the case out, yeah, man, they're going to be declaring that Terra Luna Classic is not a security. If he decides to hear the case, well, then, of course, we don't know yet or not. But that should be taking place today. They previously stated that by July 14th, they would allow us to know whether or not they're throwing the case out. Now, I'm not concerned about $2, but if I lose, but if I win, it's going to be more than that. There you go. No, Dark Bro, dude, if you win, man, let us know because... look, dude, just take advantage of it. If it's an honest win for Dark Bro, guys, if you can arbitrage a 10% gain or maybe less from Binance US over to Coinbase, dude, arbitrage it all day long. MOD! Thank you very much for 5 green names. Emma, thank you very much for that. Jared got a green name. Nick F got a green name. Chris... keeping his own green name, baby, and he is still here. Andres got a green name. Official New Zealand got a green name. And Mark, he's grabbing that green name as well. You guys know what to do, man. I'm not even going to talk until you guys start blowing the chat up for Emma D with 5 green names. Who in the world could possibly have a gray name in this chat? Besides Johnstontown and Roulette Wheel, man. I don't know what you two guys are doing, but Johnstontown and Roulette Wheel, get yourselves a green name. Emma D, thank you very much. Blow the chat up for Emma D right now, guys. Appreciate all of you. Dark Bro throwing the Emma D out there. Lemon Lust throwing the Emma D out there. Clear Bro, let's take a look at Whale BC. Let's do it, Dark Bro. Even though we make the official list of lost, bro. No, Emma, you haven't been gone long enough to get lost. Okay, I look, some people that are gone for more than a week, you can make the official list of lost bros, but I completely understand. It's summertime right now. I don't know if you were taking one, but people take vacations, people go on trips, they go with their nieces and nephews to the water park and stuff like that. So I completely understand if you guys take a little hiatus going on vacation or going on a trip and you don't want to look at crypto, don't want to wake and worry about getting into a live stream and all of that while you're enjoying your time. Definitely, if you take a week off, 2 weeks off, whatever your vacation is, you're not a lost bro at that point. In all honesty, you're definitely not a lost bro if you just take a couple weeks off because you'll always find your way back home. Emma, thank you very much. Who are they going to XRP on Robinhood? Expecting the hype. You know what? Is XRP available on Robinhood? Chris, is XRP available on Robinhood? I don't know if it is or not. That's am I logged into Robinhood? Let me see. I don't know if I'm logged into Robinhood or not on here. Let's see. No, I'm not logged in. I don't even know what my login is right now. I have to figure that out a little bit later. And where's my fidget thing? Yeah, I'll have to figure that out a little bit later. If it is on Robinhood, Chris, let me say it this way. It's got its listing. It's got its win, right? It's got its listing on Coinbase. It's got its listing potentially on Robinhood. It's got its listing on... Actually, somebody with Kraken check. I did not look at Kraken. So it is going to be relisted on Kraken if it's not already relisted on Kraken. We may see a little bit of a pullback right now as people take their profit off of the hype. However, now Ripple and XRP have the potential to grow. And they will grow, man. They're an actual company that could grow over time. So getting into them now is like getting into a company that's worth $20-30 billion and has the potential to one day be worth trillions of dollars. So I wouldn't necessarily go in and load the boat. But yeah, dude, it is something that you could look at in terms of making an actual investment. What's happening with Luke? Are they under fire? Tristan, not necessarily, okay? But the SEC is suing Do Kwon, Terraform Labs, naming Terra Luna Classic and USTC as investment contracts and securities in that lawsuit. So they're not under fire. But Ripple's win yesterday should sway the judge's decision in Terra Luna Classic and Terraform Labs' case that they hopefully throw out today. Did you miss me, Clay? DD214, always, man. Did I miss you in terms of something that you sent, or did I just miss you in terms of me missing your presence in here? Because, yes, I did miss you. Emma D. Puto, ahoo, Nufo, what's going on, man? Good morning, everybody from Hawaii. Aloha, kakahiaka. Robert Lem, glad to have you. Clay, I typed it in last night. It popped up as Ripple. Put it on watch list. Oh, very good. Yeah, Chris, as long as it's trading at like 75 cents or whatever, then it would be the correct one. You got to know, though, Ripple is Ripple is a company, but I don't think that Ripple has, I don't think Ripple's got stock, okay? Let's see. All right, just as long as it's the coin that's trading around 75 cents or whatever it is today, then you're looking at the right thing. I didn't know if there was another public company called Ripple out there. I don't see it on Webull, but it absolutely might be on Robinhood. Hate summer. Bring back winter. No. Don't bring back the winter and darkness. Somebody bop Dark Bro on the head, man. Oh, thank goodness. I have been lost in nature quite a bit, but glad to catch the bro fam on such an amazing day. XRP and XLM, baby. Emma D, absolutely. Yesterday was absolutely ridiculous for Ripple and Stellar Lumens out there. I actually took advantage of both of them. I opened a trade on both and rode them both up. Got out very quickly, opened them up at the same time, got out at the same time, and it did very well. Those are the only two trades I made yesterday, and it worked out very well. So get lost in nature, Emma D, and always come back when you're ready. It was like 84. Okay, so Chris, yeah, it is. If you were looking last night, it was at 84 cents. Today, Ripple is, well, let's just look and see where it's at. It was at 70 cents earlier. So let's see where it's at. 77 cents. I don't know what I just said. All right, so it's still at 77 cents right now. Last night, yeah, you would have seen it at 84 cents. Oh, you might not see that. Last night, you would have seen it at 84 cents in this area, but pull back just a little bit, sitting at 77 cents right now. Looking good, man. $40 billion market cap. Amazing, man. Amazing. Now, the company's going to get hit with the fine or whatever for issuing a security, but it's not a security being listed on these exchanges, which is what we wanted to hear. As far as XRP being available in Nevada, no, but it's on their platform, Robinhood, that is. Gotcha. Mr. Brian, very good. And, dude, I don't know why. I really don't know why some of these states and cities and so on make it illegal to buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies like that. But hopefully, we're starting to see these regulatory clarity come through. So hopefully they open it up in Nevada. Hopefully they open it up in New York City. And you guys can actually get your hands on some crypto. XRP is available in Robinhood, but untradeable. Gotcha, DD214. Clear Bro, don't forget about Whale BC. Already forgot about it, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for reminding me. Let's check out Whale BC right now. Whale BC. Whale Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, nice. We got a 10% gain in Whale BC today. Up to $190,000 market cap. Very nice, Dark Bro. Very good gains over the last week there. What's the monthly chart look like? It's not even been out a full month. Going from way down here at 003 to 009, man. 3x gains. Dark Bro, that's a beautiful graph. Okay, beautiful bottom left to upper right over the last week. I mean, you cannot beat that. I don't know if you're only up 10%, if you're up a little bit more than that or not. Don't give it back, dude. Don't give it back. You manage that trade if you want. Don't let this rug on anybody. It's only been out for a week now. But, dude, I hope it rips from $190,000 to $19 million, dude. And you rip up, what is that? 1.9 million gets you a 10. 19 million gets you a 100x gain, dude. Oh, man, I hope you hit a 100x gain on it and you take it to $19 million. But Whale BC looking very good. Hello, good afternoon. I'm on my way to Ohio. I got a work to do. Great. Feeling great after surgery. 2 words. Not cancer, not cancer. Dang it, man. Everybody throw a shout out to Joseph out there, man. Those are probably the 2 most beautiful words somebody who's worried can hear. Not cancer. That is, Dude, that's got to be freeing, man. I'm sure that was plaguing your mind for a very long time. So, Joseph, dude, thank you very much for sharing that news with us. That is huge. Very glad to hear that, dude. Nobody ever wants to hear anything to the contrary on that. Strong enough wind to send a piece of plywood through my wall. Oh, my gosh, dude. You better watch out. Pudgy, that's some ridiculous wind. That wind is stronger than me. I couldn't put a piece of plywood through another piece of plywood. That's insane. My gosh. Crap, read the fine print. Just saw I can't trade it. Well, there you go, Chris. You can at least look at it. And I don't know, Chris, if you've got a Coinbase account or not, but if you don't and you want one, it's very similar to Robinhood. You just connect your bank account through Plaid, and you can buy cryptocurrency that way. So, assuming your bank is on there. If you want to use the link in the description, I think you're going to get $10 in Bitcoin. I'll get $10 in Bitcoin if you do it. But that is a place that you can get Ripple if you want to own Ripple. Gotta run. Places to go, things to do. Moji, enjoy your morning, man. Very, very glad you came in here. And I thought I saw that you were cleaning carpet or something today. So have fun with that, man. Well, BC, not listed on CoinSpot. R.I.P. Well, maybe one day it will be, Tristan. Bender! What's going on, Bender? Glad to have you. Hit him straight, Mo. Do it. I don't think Mo's playing golf today. Mo, you're not playing golf today, right? I'm up 64.75%. Dark Bro! Yes, man. Dark Bro killing it on that one. Very nice, man. I'm watching it carefully. Got a good bag. Got a good bag while it was low. Dark Bro, I like it, man. I'm riding it to around $1. Dude, if you ride that bad boy to $1, you're going to be freaking rolling, man. 100x gains. Let's get it. Dark Bro, you'd have more because seemingly you're in like the 0.007 area maybe. Dude, those would be near 200x gains for you. And you know what? A $21 million market cap is absolutely doable. I mean, it might not be easy for this coin to get there. But a $21 million market cap is absolutely doable. So, Dark Bro, I hope you get it, man. If you 200x your money on that, I'm going to be very happy for you. Went on that. Get it, Kenneth. There you go, man. Hit that 200x. Sold my wheelchair to buy more shit. Now walking my hands. Indubitably. I don't even know how some of you guys come up with this stuff, man. Indubitably. Well, you're doing very well today because Shiba Inu coin is ripping higher, man. D's, thank you very much for the super chat. Joseph doesn't know how to eat a hot dog. Joseph, I can't believe you forgot how to eat a hot dog, man. The first thing you do with that hot dog is you dip it. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip, and when you're done dipping it, you shove it. One bite, man. One bite. Joseph, that's the only proper way to eat a hot dog. D's, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. And reminding Joseph that he needs to dip and shove anytime he's got a hot dog in his hand. Kenneth Whale BC, when Bull Run Clay. Aiden, I wish I knew the exact date, okay? But when you look at confidence like this, dude, this is a much larger gain than you think. We are going from 500, nearly doubling in price already, back to 840 points per coin. This major level of resistance that we had after being support, this major level of resistance at 800 points per coin has now been broken to the upside. Dude, we could run to 974,000 points per coin, but things are looking very good as long as we don't wick back down from here. Okay, we did this before and wicked back down. But I do believe that this is not on Shibarium expectations. I believe it is on the XRP win and confidence returning to the crypto market. So I'm excited about that move right there. Shiba Inu coin drastically outpacing Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin down 0.5%. Shiba Inu coin is up 5.5%. Dark Bro! Will BC! Baby rug pull or riches? I'm riding to $1, baby. Dark Bro. Guys, anybody else? If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. My dude's riding baby rug pull. My dude's riding to $1. Dang, Dark Bro, man. I don't know how many coin you got, but I hope you hit that dollar mark. Even if you gotta wait until the bull market of 2025, if that bad boy rips to $1 and you're done, long gone, giving up on me, man, I hope you come back in here to let us all know that you rode it all the way to $1 and you killed it. Kristen, long time no live. Kristen, Thank you very much for coming back in here. Come on. Uphold, the only one to keep XRP listed. Yeah, KuCoin kept it listed, but KuCoin is not a U.S. exchange. Hey, bro, what do you think Pepe is going to do in the bull run? Johan, listen, I hope that Pepe is still around in the bull run, but let's just assume that it is for the sake of answering this question. I believe that we could hit all-time highs. Okay, and I don't exactly know where that's at from here. Probably a 3x gain from where we are. But I think that we can hit multi-billion-dollar valuations on a lot of these new meme coins that began to make a name for themselves during this bear market. Pepe, potentially Pepe 2.0, even those other ones, man, Wojak, Bilbo, and stuff like that. The people that are holding them now will try to hype those things back up as FOMO buying kicks in. Let's see. Long time no see, bros. Raid de Silva. Glad to have you, man. You guys are all coming back today, dude. I love it. I figure if some stuff coin, some crap coin like Pepe can do $1 billion market cap, why can't that go to 21 million at least? And this place actually has some fundamentals. They're actually doing something. Good token. You know what, Dark Bro? I agree. Right? I cannot state that a coin doesn't have the potential to ride to a $21 million market cap, man. You see coins on DEX tools that are created, and 3 hours later, they're at a $21 million market cap. So I'm right there with you on that, dude. Why can't Whale BC, if people market it enough and they get hyped up enough about it, why can't Whale BC go to a $21 million market cap as well? Hemi Life, let's go. Jazz me to a penny, jazz me to $1 and Shiba to half a penny. Let's get started. Michael says, Luke to the moon. Heck yeah. Peter, yes. It's funny watching. Let's see. Sarah, you'll love it, though. Something. Hot dog eating version is so wrong in the UK. It's the dip and shove. It's not wrong at all. That's how you got to eat a hot dog, Sarah. That's how you got to eat a hot dog. Oh, God. Is anybody else in here waiting on Paul Yax's token launch? Not me. I didn't even know about it. We got a big purple line coming on the screen right now, guys. Bitcoin selling off a little bit. Shiba Inu coin selling off a little bit. No wonder what's going on there with the correlated sell-off between the two right now. Interesting to see that. I bet Dogecoin coming back down a little bit as well. Yes, big purple line there. Ethereum coming back down a little bit. Big purple lines across all the cryptos at the moment. Interesting to see, and want to know why that is happening. I'll never give up on Clay Bro the Dark Bro. Yeah, dude, you're the best, man. I'll be here even if I'm a millionaire. Perfect. Well, you got to hang out with. You got to do something. Look, you guys all think that you become a millionaire, and all of a sudden you're just gonna like, I don't know. What do you plan on doing? Just sitting in a chair and staring at the wall? You still have the same 24 hours in a day. You've got to fill those 24 hours somehow. And I wouldn't think that this is like a disaster that you have to hang out in here with the bros and pass the time. I would say that you'd actually be more inclined to hang out in here. How do you think Bone is going to go? It's been going rather well lately, and it's been holding steady the last few days. Yeah, Tristan. So I think Bone's going to go very similarly to what Bone did when the Shibarium testnet was launched. All of the hype driving it up, and potentially on the news of the release, Bone, it may not fall down as much because Bone will finally have utility after the Shibarium launch, but there's a very good chance, man, that the hype buying settles down a little bit and you do see some profit taking on the news of the launch. Jasmine will hit $1 in the bull run, locking up 70%. Nice. Peter, man. Listen, anybody interested in Jasmine and all of those other tokens, I really do. I hope that every single one of them makes it. Now, every single one of them can't 1000x, okay? If everything 1000x'd, we'd be sitting on a quadrillion-dollar valuation. We're not going to have a quadrillion-dollar valuation in the overall crypto market. So everything can't 1000x. But some of the projects absolutely can. Man, 3 purple lines on Bitcoin right now. Not looking too good. Transferring over to Shiba Inu coin. Pulling back a little bit. It's Clay Bro. Do you think Luke can hit a $1 billion market cap soon? Yeah. Michael, I absolutely do. Terra Luna Classic, if the judge throws out that case today, Terra Luna Classic could double in price. I mean, it's just that simple. I don't know if the judge is going to make that decision. They said that they would, but I believe that's going to be a huge catalyst. I mean, if you don't have to worry about Terra Luna Classic being considered a security, man, what a dump. If you don't have to worry about Terra Luna Classic being considered a security, then I think you could have major gains in Lunk today. Bitcoin getting hit pretty hard over the last 4 minutes here. Transferring over to Shiba Inu coin, but we're getting a little bit of a bounce right there. So we're going to see how this plays out. Hoping the bull starts on August 2nd, which is my birthday. Razi, man, that would be a beautiful time for a spike up. Dude, 10, 20, 30x gains for everybody on Razi's birthday, man. I'm hoping for it. Noob question. I'm trying to take my Lunk off of KuCoin and transfer to my MetaMask wallet, but it keeps saying the wrong network. Is it not transferring? So, Kennedy, I think that I don't know if you can transfer to a MetaMask wallet. You may need to use a Trust wallet and or like the Terra Station or Rebel Station wallet. I know that Terra Luna Classic is not supported on every wallet. I do not know if it is supported on Terra Luna Classic or on MetaMask or not. But I do know that it is not supported on every platform. You may need to look at Trust Wallet or one of those Rebel Station or Terra Station wallets that are out there. Make $1 million, then come in here and chill all day to turn $1 million into 10. You know what, Hemi? They do say the first $1 million is the hardest $1 million to make, and then it's relatively simple to make another $1 million, to take it to 10 million. It's all about compounding at that point and not working for your money, but letting your money work for you. So, yeah, dude, let's get started. I absolutely hope that for everybody, man. I would love to see that. Also need to pick up about 20,000 USTC. Dark Bro, you could, dude. If there's a chance that they repeg USTC and you're sitting on 20,000 of them, they get that bad boy back up to $1. That's going to be a nice little addition to your overall crypto portfolio. Razi, it needs to start on July 30th, which is my birthday. I'm sure Razi would prefer that it starts on July 30th and potentially peaks on August 2nd there. Man, you guys all got birthdays coming up. I'm going to be singing a lot of happy birthdays here pretty soon. Pepe 2.0 is up on the day as of right now. Look at that. Bitcoin bouncing back already. Let's see where Pepe 2.0 is currently at. Pepe 2. 28% up on the day. Very nice, man. $28 million market cap. Kenneth, you're still doing good, man. Getting in at like that $6 million market cap. You're doing phenomenal today. Down pretty heavy over the last 7 days here. Dropping down over 50%. But nonetheless, up 37% on the day right now. Looking very good for Pepe. Let's check out XRP. Did it dip along with Bitcoin? Yeah, it did dip a little bit with Bitcoin here, going from 77 cents to 75 cents. So that could be one of the reasons that Bitcoin dipping back down a little bit. XRP, the hype seems to be fading a little bit, but could be hitting some support here right at the 74, 75 cent mark. So keep your eyes on that one as well. XRP pulling back a little bit, Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, but showing some volatility with some pretty big green and some pretty big purple lines. Let's see here. Say it with me. Jasmine. We need $100 super chat rave first. Yes, we need a rave button on here. I do not currently have a rave button. Clay, what do you do for a living? Trail boss. I'm not like an active trader, right? But every now and then I'll go in, I'll trade some options, I'll do some swing trades, stuff like that. I would say I'm more of a long-term investor, and then of course I hang out here on YouTube, and actually the ad revenue on YouTube isn't bad either. It is down drastically from what it was back in 2021. So, I mean, all of that stuff combined, man. It's not like I go in and clock into a job somewhere. Well, with XRP moving around now, I might have to start an XRP bot. Kenneth, that is a very good possibility for you. XRP is moving around quite a bit, dude. Oh, I'm picking up 20,000 for sure. 10,000 minimum. I'm going to get some money somehow. There you go, Dark Bro. I love that attitude, man. However he's got to do it, he's going to do it. My brain was telling me to take my crypto off of the exchange, and my gut told me it'll be okay to keep on the platform because crypto is not a security. Yeah, you know what, Mr. Brian, crypto is not a security, right? At least Ripple has been determined not to be a security. or XRP, sorry. And I truly believe that that's going to translate into probably 99.99% of all cryptos that are out there. I mean, that is a huge win. So I think that whether you're on exchanges right now or not on exchanges, look, we know that the risk is that that exchange goes bankrupt, that exchange does not do well. Right now, with these exchanges kind of getting the green light, dude, we might see Coinbase start to run up. They were saying Coinbase's stock was going up yesterday. Let's look at that. Crypto.com coin, or Kronos, that might be moving higher, because people are going to be signing up for exchanges again. BNB might be moving higher. Dang. Wow, man. Coinbase getting a huge boost. Dude, Coinbase, since the beginning of June, more than doubling in price. Wow. Coinbase ripping from $46 to $114 over the last month. That is a massive win. 3xing in price since the beginning of 2023. Coinbase having some huge wins there. Same thing could be happening for, I don't think Kronos is still listed on Webull here. Let's see, because I haven't looked at Crow in a while. But Crow might be doing pretty well with these exchanges getting the green light here. So, yeah, Crypto.com coin, Kronos, whatever you want to call it. It's up 3% on the day today. And over the last week, going from 5.5 cents up above 6 cents. The last month, going from 5 cents up to 6 cents. So 20+% gains over the last month. Could be on its turnaround right now. I do believe that Kronos can get back up to $1. So that's another one to look at if you guys want to see something thriving in a bull market. You got to remember, the more people that sign up for these exchanges, the better those coins are going to do as well. I still have plenty left over because if they repeg UST to $1, I'm holding at 10 to 20,000. That'll be enough for me to buy every coin I want and hold to the bull run. Absolutely, Dark Bro. Look, I'm not putting my full faith in these guys to repeg it, though. Okay, I believe it is much more complex, much more complicated, and darn near impossible to manipulate the price of that coin manually back up to $1. Now, if they just, like the placebo effect. When you take a pill, some people are taking the real pill. Some people are taking a placebo. The placebo effect kicks in. Even if you're not taking the real one, you could see some of the side effects. Your brain, man, it literally tricks you. And if this repeg team can go out there, and even if they're lying through their teeth, but they convince everybody that they're going to be able to walk that price back up, it can create such a surge in demand that the price really does just organically go back up 20, 30, 40, 50xing in value, because that many people believe it will hit $1. That's all crypto is, guys. If people believe it's going to go up in price and they buy in, it's going to go up in price. I mean, it sounds kind of dumb, but that's what we're working with. And if they can convince everybody that it's going to go to $1, those people will make it go to $1. BNB is up. I had 475 my Pinex, and now it says I'm up to 525. Very nice, Kenneth. Very nice, man. It's time for Brocoin. Let's get started. You know what? That is interesting. So one of the decisions that they did make, though, guys, any of these institutions that initially sell their coin, that was considered a security. So, when you look at all these pre-sales that are out there, Terraport Finance or whatever they are, Terra, that one that got hacked or where these guys basically stole from everybody in the Terra Luna Classic community a couple months ago. When you do pre-sales like that, you got to be very, very cautious. Because if Brocoin was a pre-sale or any other coin is an actual pre-sale and somebody is raising money to sell those tokens, the SEC, the judge decided that the SEC was correct, that was the sale of a security. And Ripple is going to have to pay some damages because of that. They're going to have to pay some penalties and some fines. So you do have to be very careful if you're creating a coin and it's not just a fair launch or a public launch where everybody can go out there. Now I don't know how it turns out if you keep some for yourself, but yeah, if you're going out there and selling it, man, it is That was considered a security by the judge. You got to be very careful with pre-sales. I own a decent bag of Crow, staked, gaining 8.5% yearly in Crow. I would like to see it above $1 and hold forever. Space Ape, dude. I would love to see that as well. I think it could get there. I truly do. You're looking at a feasible valuation for a huge cryptocurrency exchange if it goes back up to $1. So $100 billion valuation for an exchange like that, it's not unheard of, and it's not, like, let's say, unsustainable. I think that they could get there. But the bear markets are so brutal in the crypto space. We don't hold gains forever. Everybody thinking that Bitcoin is going to hold on to 60,000 when it touches 69, and then we rip back down to 15. We don't hold gains forever in the crypto space, so don't be afraid to take profits in the crypto space. It could go to 2 or 3 cents. JD, we still talking about USTC? We talking about something else, man? We talking about Crow? I might have missed it a chat earlier, or I might have read it too late to understand which one you were referencing when I was actually talking about it. All right, look at it this way. Either I make a killing or I don't. I'll get a percentage of the gains either way. It just depends on how much. I love it, Dark Bro. Kind of had to reevaluate my life last night. Well, dude, you know what? Everybody needs to reevaluate their lives a little bit every now and then. And I'm in it either all the way or not at all. Well, man, that sounds pretty extreme. But nonetheless, okay, if you're willing to go all the way, or, go big or go home, as they say, I love it, man. I love it. I buy way more if it goes to 2 to 3 cents. Space. You're talking about Crow. You guys are talking about Crow though, going from 5 cents, like 6 cents down to 2 or 3 cents. Gotta go. Have a great weekend, everybody. Sarah, that's that 50 Shades of Croy. Thank you very much for being in here, Sarah. Enjoy your weekend as well. If you want to come back in the afternoon stream, evening for you. It's already evening for you, but if you want to come back tonight, absolutely. If not, enjoy your weekend, and thank you very much for being in here. You didn't sing me happy birthday on July 1st. Just kidding. And no need. I had a live stream on my birthday. And that was good enough for this guy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mr. Brian, who didn't tell me it was his birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mr. Brian, man, happy birthday. If you guys don't tell me it's your birthday, I can't sing happy birthday to you. Later, Sarah. Have an awesome weekend. Absolutely. I'm off for the night. Clay Brown Bros here. 2:30 a.m. is late enough for me. Tristan, where the heck are you at? That it's already 2:30 in the morning, man. Enjoy your night. It's way too late. You shouldn't even be here right now. You should be sleeping. Enjoy your weekend, Tristan. Crypto.com just passed 100 million users. Imagine that. Last bull market, 5 million users. Oh, Lonnie. Yeah, dude. If they really did pass 100 million and they had 5 million users in the last bull market, things are going to be looking phenomenal in the next bull market, man. Let's see, when I release, bro, notify on live and Discord of time and date. A few days prior to the release, I'm not doing a pre-sale or anything, but I have to drop $84.50 to give it a 1 million starting cap. Kenneth, nice, man. Yeah, guys, look, I don't know if I can officially, endorse anybody else's created project simply for the fact that it's not me. I don't have the control of it and all that. But, dude, if we got a bro coin, man, and we can make something out of it, I say let's get started. I had a little over 1 million XRP 2 years ago and sold because of the court case. I messed up. Relax and meditate, man. I'll say this, dude. Hindsight's 20/20, right? And yeah, if you were sitting on 1 million XRP, you definitely feel like you messed up right now because you would have had $950,000, okay? At the peak yesterday, you'd still have $750,000 right now. That is it's an obscene amount, man. It really is. But facing the litigation, I actually thought that the judge was going to side with the SEC, or we still wouldn't have a decision yet. But you can't look back at it now and say you messed up making that decision. As long as you don't think you got too emotional in the decision making, I'd say you did just fine. But if you are, that's like the guys who look back when Bitcoin was absolutely worthless and nothing, and saying that they absolutely messed up. Yeah, sure, in a sense you did, But I believe you probably did what was right for you at the time. I mean, it's just a decision that everybody makes, man. Let's see, I have to drop the cash and put coins in a liquidity pool. Oh, and I transfer the coins to the contract. Yeah, you do, man. Pick bro coin to 2 USTC. Let's get started. Australia, peace out, guys. Gotcha, Tristan. Enjoy your weekend, man. Let's see. Kenneth, wait at least till the 26th, because that's when I get the big check. There you go, Dark Bro. Later, Tristan. Enjoy your weekend. Good morning, bro. Mina Rahal, good morning to you. Glad to have you in here. What do you think Do Kwon is having for his dinner tonight? I don't know, dude. Probably a cheeseburger. Maybe a pizza. Friday nights are good for pizzas. Every day is good for a cheeseburger. But Friday nights are good for pizzas. So I'd say pizza or a cheeseburger would probably be a pretty safe bet. I guess the guy could go with a steak, but I don't know. I would just guess. I would guess pizza or a cheeseburger. 90 and cloudy here in Miami. It is currently USD CAD is up 0.76%. I have no idea why the US dollar is running against the Canadian dollar right now, but apparently that is more important than the weather on my screen. So I do not see the weather right now, but US dollar against Canadian dollar is up 0.76% at the moment. That would mean the Euro USD should be falling. Let's see. Euro USD. No, it's actually increasing, so that's weird. Canadian dollar must be getting trashed right now. Yeah, I think the Canadian dollar must be getting trashed right now. Because if the Euro USD is rolling and the Canadian dollar is dropping there, that's interesting. Let's see what the DXY looks like. Yeah, DXY bouncing nicely. Dang, man, that has been a beautiful. Look at this daily trend line. That has been a beautiful descending trend line for the dollar, and huge news for the DXY, dropping down below this major level of support at 100 points, okay? That is a very big number to drop down below, and probably why you saw such a decline yesterday as it broke down through that support level. So, very interesting. Anybody that's trading foreign currency, right? You look at the DXY, you want to know how strong the dollar is. The dollar losing a very significant level of support. Might not find it again until 99 flat, which would translate to a big decline in the dollar and an incline in anything against the dollar. So we could even see cryptocurrency gaining on a declining dollar. So watch out for that as well, guys. Dirk Bro, you got this. Stay golden, pony boy. Do it, man. I've created an entire position in Crow, just on harvesting through Tectonic. Check out the supply functions in DeFi. They are decent. VVS has slowly been rising. Lonnie, very nice, man. Yeah, I don't know too much about staking your Tectonic and VVS and all of that. But Lonnie, dude, if it's been working out for you, I don't have to know everything in here. The beautiful part is we got a lot of you guys that know a lot as well. So Dark Bro loves to look at those little micro cap coins that have $1,000, $10,000 to $100,000 market caps that could absolutely rip. Dude spends a lot of time looking at those. He's the guy to go to for tiny cap coins that might be rolling. Lonnie, man, if you feel like you're an expert in staking and whatever, lending your Tectonic and your VVS, you know more than I do about it. I'll tell you that right now. So there's a lot of people that we can learn from in here, guys. And if you want to go a certain direction, there's probably somebody in here that's got some answers. I know that JB, I don't know if JB's in here right now, but JB, very knowledgeable on creating cryptos and NFT projects and stuff like that. He's been working with some pretty cool projects for a long time now. So you guys do know a lot. It's not just me. If I've got an answer, if I don't have an answer, it's somebody in here that does, man. I was expecting a bigger jump after the court hearing, but still coming up winning. Yeah, Giovanni, man. I was expecting, I don't know what I was expecting, right? I was expecting that we could potentially, and we still can, okay? We could potentially hit that $2-3 mark. getting to above $100 billion valuation. But traders took profits right below that $1 mark yesterday. Okay, they took profits right below that $1 mark, and it bounced off quickly from that 95-cent level. Now, knowing that we could still have the SEC appeal the decision. And if the SEC appeals the decision, we're right back to where we were the day before yesterday. Just because this judge made a decision does not mean that it's not going to get appealed and go to a higher court. So that is still a possibility. It was a huge win, but we could pull back a little bit and be in a very similar situation to where we were. You got to keep that in mind, and that might be why we did not continue to rip higher and people took profits so quickly. Hi, Clay, do you know when the ruling for Lunk is? So MLG Martin, I do not. All I've read in all the articles that I've read is that the judge stated they would make a decision, by today. I'll be the first to say these judges don't always hold to their word. And potentially, listen, if that judge went to sleep night before last, thinking that he was going to hear the case, and now, yesterday, he got this court decision from the judge over the XRP and an SEC lawsuit, it may have changed his mind. So if it did, it might be a hard decision. He might ask for more time or something to make his decision, but I don't know, man. I can't really see hearing the full case, if not amending the case, based on this Ripple decision that came yesterday. At the end of the year, when Jasmine locks up 70% of the supply, what would the price be? Hemi, man, that is just way too hard for me to determine. I don't know how much of the Jasmine supply is locked up right now, but it should have a decent impact higher if it's locking up. Now, locking up is different than removing, I guess, forever. It's not like they're burning those coins. Locking them up is different, and they can come back into circulation. So you do have to remember that it's not a permanent loss of the supply there. So it would be similar, I guess, to staking in the sense that those coins can be put back into circulation. Clay, with crypto, what's better? Example, get as much as you can in Bitcoin, or smarter to get a bunch of a Shiba type. So let me equate it this way. If you're looking to get into Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin would be the equivalent of maybe stacking up in Google, Apple, Walmart, Waste Management, a very proven track record. Something that already has an extremely high market cap, but it's got a proven track record. You might not see the same types of, volatility, the violent volatility that you do in these smaller coins, but I wouldn't imagine that you see the same types of gains. So smarter might be getting into Bitcoin because it's probably a safer asset. Getting into something like Shiba Inu coin is more risky, but I can't imagine you wouldn't be sitting on higher returns in a bull market. So higher risk, higher reward ratio in something like Shiba, lower risk, still a decent reward, but lower reward in something like Bitcoin compared to the altcoins. Because right now, dude, Bitcoin has been doing very well over the last couple of months, and it's because it's a more confident crypto. It hasn't been listed by the SEC. People are comfortable with it, and you've seen, we've seen it double since the beginning of 2023. Typically, when investors are confident, they jump into those little micro cap coins so that they can see 10, 20, 30x gains. I don't think you're going to be seeing 10, 20, 30x gains in the price of Bitcoin, in the next 2 years, but you absolutely could in some altcoins. Brunino Nino Cappuccino, what's going on? Jay Bonino, how you doing, man? Nice. Kenneth Gaines, bro. Oh yeah, that's what he's trying to say. I should peg it to USTC. I think that's what he was trying to say. Tesla's been ripping the last couple of days, leading into earnings next week. Highly great stock to jump in on before earnings. Yeah, MLG, I've been watching Tesla jumping pretty heavy today. 284.69. Very significant level, man. Touching 285.30. We might have to go out to let's go hourly. You'll be able to see it here. Double topping right here. Okay, over the last, what is this? 2 weeks. Tapping 284 like 60. 284.25. Back here at the beginning of July. Can't break. Potentially getting ready to break out. If it does not break out, you're going to see some pretty strong declines there. But I want to show you this, man. Look at these call options. Look at these call options today. Tesla call options for 280. This is nuts, dude. I was looking at these this morning. Did not buy any. But let's see. Can I graph this? Where's my graph, man? I don't want to log in. I just want you to show me the chart on these 280s. What are you doing? I don't know why it's not bringing up the graph. No. Alright, I don't know why it's not bringing up the graph. Oh, here it is. There's the graph. No, I don't want a daily. Show me the minute chart on this. Jeez, man. Look at this. This morning, this afternoon, these Tesla call options at 10:48, it looks like. So 2 hours ago. 50 cents, man. 8x gains, sitting at 450. 9x gains, going from 50 cents to 450 on these call options. And I think there's a 15-minute delay in Weeble's options charting here, so you'll see it ticking for a little while. But dude, 50 cents to 450 in these options. You're 9xing your money if you would have bought these 280 calls on Tesla. And it's currently sitting in the money by sitting at 415 right now. Tesla is sitting at 284.70. So these should actually be at probably $5 right now, but they're being delayed a little bit because these options prices are 15 minutes behind. If Tesla's sitting at 284.60, these 280 strikes, they're going to be sitting at $5 right now. So, amazing gains, man. 10x. Golly, bum, dude. I was so close to pulling the trigger on those this morning. I cannot believe that, man. I cannot believe that. I was so close to pulling the trigger on those options. That is wild, man. Let's see. So, did Clay say he's been building? I know that JB has been working with a lot of different projects and building some pretty cool projects out there with different NFTs and stuff, Kenneth. Holy bro, OLBC is still going up. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. Let's see it, man. Whale BC. Is it still rolling? Where are we at here? Chronos. XRP sitting at 75 cents there. Pepe 51% gain. Whale BC, man, looking good. 10% gain. I was gonna say 9.1 cents, but no, 0.91 cents. Almost up to a penny. Very nice, Dark Bro. Looking good, dude. I don't care as long as we hit $1 before those coins are released. I'm happy. Leaving a small bag after I sell most of it, just in case it goes more than $1. But I'm gonna get my new house and an acre of land with that $1. Dude, Hemi life. Do it, man. Do it. You know, if you can trade, even if you could have sat on these crypto gains for the next 10 years or whatever, if you guys can buy some land, if you can buy a house with the cryptocurrency investment that you made, that's something that you can have in your family line for the rest of eternity, man. Well, I mean, unless they come and take it. But that would be a huge trade, man. If you could trade crypto gains for a place to live, that would be awesome. I got you, Clay. Thanks. I was asking for the return aspect. Yeah, something like Shiba's got a larger risk to reward ratio, so larger return aspect, but less safe. AMC to Narnia. Let's get it, man. Pendle going up again, making that money. Giovanni looking so good. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. We're going to get off here for right now. We're going to be back a little bit later with the live stream this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here, keeping the live going. It is looking very good for cryptocurrency right now. I hope that it continues on that way. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs, and then we're going to be back this afternoon. Hope all of you guys enjoy your lunch, get some work done, all that good stuff, man. Kenneth, enjoy your day, man. Dark Bro, see you later. Hemi Life, enjoy your afternoon. Chris, man, enjoy it. We've got J Bodes, baby. Mr. Brian, Giovanni, Lewis, Lonnie, see you later. Dark Bro, Lemon Loss, peace out to you. Kennedy's Crazy Pose. Boom, baby. We got Kenneth. Later to you, Lonnie. Adios to you, No Toast. DD214. Later, fam. I don't know who else is in here right now. Appreciate all you guys for being in here. J Bones. And once again, man, I do want to say thank you very much to Pat. Pat for throwing that super chat up there when nobody was on. If you guys see Pat in the Discord this weekend, please say what's up to him. Give him a shout out. Give him, let him know that we still talk about him. We miss him. And we hope that he comes back to the live streams. Dark Bro, Giovanni, Aiden, enjoy your day. JD, man, see you later. Love the videos. Good job. Thank you very much, JD. Appreciate you, dude. Dark Bro, Forefathers' Rights. Peace out to you, man. Johan, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.